In this video, we will show you how to replace the blower motor on this Honda Civic. This will be located under the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the passenger side dash. Now under this area, we have a clear view of the blower motor. We're going to start removing this plastic area that makes its way across. There's two Phillips head mounting screws. There's one over here. It's kind of on the back side, it's hard to see. And then there's a second one right inside this port here. That looks good. This one's very difficult. It's up inside of a circular port. It's kind of hard to get onto. There's that. Now it's time for our electrical connector. You can see that we have a white connector right here. Let's go ahead and press it on the locking tab. Once you have it removed, a quick inspection for corrosion. This looks good. Let's follow the wiring harness to its mounting point here. For this, typically you can just carefully pull this down and away. There we go. Just go ahead and set that aside. Now at this point, we have 3 more mounting screws holding this blower motor in place. For these, we're going to be using a T15 Torx. Start with the hardest one to get to. That looks good. Last one, we'll make sure we're holding that blower motor up so it does not fall down. Okay, let's start lowering down the blower motor and removing it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's prepare to install our blower motor. We'll get this in place underneath the passenger side dash. When we bring this into position, we need to make sure we align all 3 of our mounting screw ports. Slide it up. Make sure it's sitting flush and start in all 3 of your mounting screws. They're all started in, let's snug them up. Double check, make sure it's properly seated and secured. After confirming that, let's continue on to our electrical connector. We'll get this in position to its connecting port here. Slide it in, listen for a click. We'll give that a tug. Secure your wiring harness so this doesn't get caught on anything and damaged. Press that on there. Now it's time to install our plastic panel in this area. Just going to get it in position. It should slide right up on there. Continue on with your 2 mounting screws. Now since this one's very difficult to get the screwdriver back onto, being up inside the port, I'm just going to snug this. Typically, I just like to start them in, and then I'll snug them all up. That one's tight. Let's get our next one. This one's right on the back side. Okay, everything's back together. One more quick inspection under here and we can make our way out from under the dash. Now we finished our installation. The next thing you have to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of the blower motor on every speed. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.